Together, we go further. Together, we share moments, emotions. Together, we accomplish more. We grow. We shape ideas that build a better future for all. At Etex, we move forward together, with our teams, with our partners, across more than 45 countries. Different cultures, different expertise, one shared goal. We go beyond materials. We create ecosystems, connecting customers, partners, and teams to develop solutions to innovate and unlock new possibilities. Our solutions improve efficiency, reduce environmental impact, and enable affordable climate-resilient buildings. We engineer gypsum-based systems for walls and ceilings, insulation solutions for thermal and acoustic comfort, advanced protection systems for high temperatures and passive fire protection, designed fiber cement solutions for interiors, facades, and roofs. Off-site construction systems to build better, faster, and more efficiently. Together, we innovate. Together, we rethink materials and solutions. Together, day after day, we build better. Etex, building better together.